Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, replacing the gasket of the machine itself, the one that you see right here. This is the old gasket. Replacing the shower screen of the machine as well, old shower screen. And we also replaced the cover of the group head. As you can see, this one was starting to peel, and we replaced it with this one, which is color black. And yeah, that's all we did. We also descaled this machine, which there was a little bit of scale buildup around the boiler, so we were able to remove that. And now we're gonna test it out, starting with the steam. So as you can see, machine steaming really well. Excellent pressure coming out of the machine, working excellent. Now let's cool it down by introducing water into the boiler, as this is a single boiler machine, and Rancilio recommends for you to do the steam and use the steamer first and then do the shot. Otherwise you will empty the boiler and you could potentially damage the heating element. So now we're cooling it down and putting some water inside the boiler, making sure it's filled up. And now as you see the steam coming out more gently and better, you can see the hot water just at a good temperature. Perfect. We can just close this, and now we can do our shot of espresso. Now hopefully I pick up the right gradients of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I'll probably temper a bit harder for this machine. As you can see, it's having a little bit slow flow, but we are getting good crema coming out of the machine. It's a double shot, so perfect. I tempered a bit too hard for this machine, so if I should have tempered a little bit less, it would have been more faster and we would have a bit more crema on the shot. But as you can see, really good shot of espresso, working perfectly fine. An excellent flow of the shower head. And there you have it, Rancilio Silva working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.